Hello everyone, welcome back to IPO Pulse India. In this video, we are walking you through the IPO of Rubicon Research, what the company does, how the issue was structured, how the subscription and listing played out, and what investors should watch. If you like IPO deep dives, don't forget to hit like, subscribe and click the bell icon. Let's dive in. First, a quick overview. Rubicon Research is a pharmaceutical formulations company with a strong focus on regulated markets, especially the US. It develops, manufactures, and commercializes specialty generics, drug device combo products, and more. Its R&D facilities and manufacturing plants are located in India and Canada, and it holds regulatory accreditations such as US FDA, WHO GMP, etc. The company has been growing rapidly. Over financial year 23 to 25, revenue surged and it turned a profit after prior losses. However, the business is exposed to concentration risk. Approx 98% of its revenue comes from the US market, and over 70% comes from its top 5 customers. Let's talk IPO details. The IPO subscription window was 9th-13th October 2025. Price band 461 rupee to 485 rupee per share. Lot size 30 shares per lot. So minimum investment is about 14,550 rupees. Total issue size around 1,377.50 crore rupees, divided into a fresh issue of 500 crore rupees and an offer for sale OFS of 877.50 crore rupees. The funds raised via the fresh issue were intended for repayment of debt, approx 310 crore rupees, and for inorganic growth or general corporate purposes. Promoter shareholding dilution, post-IPO, promoter stake reduced, also General Atlantic stake was scaled back. How did the market respond? Very strongly. On day 1, the IPO got around 51% subscribed. By day 2, it was already 2.37 times subscribed. At the close, subscription soared. Reports suggest it was oversubscribed by 104 times, i.e. very heavy demand across categories. Retail investors were especially enthusiastic. Non-institutional and institutional segments also saw good traction. The grey market premium, GMP, an unofficial indicator, was high, signaling that the expected listing might command a premium. Some sources pegged GMP at 9 rupees. 8100. Now for the actual listing. Basis of allotment was expected around 14th October. Refunds and share credits likely on 15th October. The shares officially started trading on 16th October 2025 on both BSE and NSE. On listing, Rubicon Research shares opened at ~620 on both exchanges. That's 27.9% premium over the issue price, 485 rupees. This strong listing demonstrates high investor confidence and demand for a pharma R&D story in the India end markets. Before you jump in, let's weigh the positives and cautions. Strengths: upside, rapid growth track record, ability to scale, strong US focus, regulatory credentials, high commercialization rate, i.e. many products successfully reaching market. Value: research, risks, challenges, heavy dependence on US market. Any regulatory, tariff, policy shifts in the US can impact revenue. Customer concentration risk, losing a major client may hit revenue hard. Value: research, valuation is aggressive. At upper band, price to earnings and price to book multiples are high compared to peers. What to watch post-listing? Quarterly performance versus estimates. US regulatory tariff trade changes. New product approvals, R&D success. How well the company diversifies geography or customers over time. Overall, this IPO was a blockbuster debut, but investors should take a cautious long-term view given inherent risks. So to wrap up, Rubicon Research IPO was met with huge demand, listing at a healthy premium, reflecting strong investor interest in pharma R&D plays. But it's not devoid of risks. If you're considering investing, factor in the dependency on US markets and client concentration, and don't forget your own risk tolerance. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with anyone interested in IPOs or pharma stocks, and subscribe for more such analysis. Also, drop your thoughts or questions in the comments. I'd love to hear what you think about Rubicon's future. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.